Friends, welcome once again to ASM for Online Math. In this lesson, we shall solve this problem from Olympiad Math. Do not forget that this lesson is proudly powered by your lesson app. So this is 3 power x plus 3 power 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 3x. So let us represent 3 to the power of x. Let it be equal to y here. So we can write this as y plus y squared equal to y cubed, because we are now representing 3 power x with y. So rearranging this, we can have y cubed minus y squared minus y. Everything is equal to 0. Now notice here that y is common. You can factor out y. So we have y into y squared minus y minus 1 when you divide everything by y. Now, when two terms are multiplying each other to give us 0, you suspect that either the first one is 0, so either y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 here, or the term in the bracket y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is now a quadratic equation which we can use the quadratic formula. Note here that our a is 1, our b is minus 1, our c is also minus 1. The coefficient of y squared is a. The coefficient of minus y is b, and the coefficient of the third term here, which is the constant minus 1, is our c. So use the formula that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that y becomes minus b is minus 1, which is plus 1, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1 times c, which is minus 1, all over 2a, 2 times 1. Simplifying further, we'll have that y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4 all over 2. So here y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So you can now see that y can either be equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, or y is 1 minus root 5 all over 2. We've got three values of y. The first one is y is equal to 0. The second one is this, and the third one is that. But we are not looking for the value of y. We need the value of x. Now, when x is equal to 0, remember we'll have that 3 to the power of x is equal to y. Sorry, when y is 0. Now, that means 3 power x is equal to 0. Here, no solution. There is nothing you can do here. Now, when y is equal to 1 minus root 5 all over 2, you will have that 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. If you solve this, you will find out that there will be no real solution here. There will be no real solution. But when y is equal to 1 plus the 5 all over 2, you will now be having that 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus 5 all over 2. If you transform this into logarithm, maybe you take the logarithm of both sides, you will have logarithm of 3 to the power of x is equal to, even if you don't take logarithm of both sides, you can transform this index into logarithm. We have that x will be equal to log 3 into 1 plus 5 all over 2. This is the relationship between indices and logarithm, because this base can be raised to the power of this x to give us this. Okay, that is the idea we just used. So this is the value of x here. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by your lesson app. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you.